This is my dog, Mia. She is half poodle, half Lhasa Apso. She is a cutie pie. She knows the tricks: sit, shake, and dance.
And she looks like a little baby doll.
Sometimes you can't find her when it snows. She is that white. And one time when she was in the snow, my mom would put her foot ahead just to make sure that she wouldn't fall through the snow because the snow was so high. And Mia fell through because she didn't notice. And that was funny because we couldn't see her after. Do you have anything to say about Mia?
She's a really good dancer.
Yes, and she likes to play. She loves her toys, but most of her toys are not her real toys. They were like our socks,
Or slippers.
or slippers, or shoes. You know what? Hold her.
Or stuffed animals.
Yes, I will go get a few of those while you hold her, and you may talk more about her. Just make sure she doesn't get the candy corn.
Well, I would like to see her up close, but I don't know if she'd let me.
Yeah, let's go see her up close.
This is Mia. She's so cute. I let them see her up close.
Okay, I have gotten a few of her toys that were not normally hers. This is a big ball of different socks that she claimed from my sister.
Ah. And
This-
she likes Skittles.
This was a slipper that she claimed from my sister. This was a toy that she claimed from my sister. And this was a shoe that she claimed from my mother. Now,
And I think she wants that down.
we are going to show you
She can wave. She can wave.
Will you put her on the ground and hold her?
She is not very tall.
I will be right back. Okay, thank you for waiting patiently.
Uh-huh.
Mia, here's your toy. You want it? Look at the camera, baby.
You want your toy? You want the stinky sock?
Well, that's all for now. See you later.
Wait. Mia, come here. Come here. Come here, Mia. You want your toy? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh, maybe not goodbye. This girl seems wanting to play.
Fetch. Well, she's got half a fetch down.
See you later on the next video with our pets. The next one will be on Zoo Pets. Yee! Here's a sneak preview.
No. Nugget.
And
Cappuccino.
cappuccino.
And our hot car.
And the super duper car. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Any final words?